Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to discuss about the soft skills that every software tester should be aware of. Being technically strong will definitely help you in getting the software testing job that you have been dreaming of, but if you wish to excel in the software testing field in the long run, you need to have great soft skills, as well. There are quite a few non-technical skills that are required for being successful in testing. Now, let's have a look at the various soft skills that make you a successful software tester. Good communication skills actually are one of the most important traits in a candidate for any position. For a tester, both verbal and written communication are crucial. Software testers need good communication skills to ensure test artifacts created by them, for example, test strategy, test plan, test cases, etc., are easy to understand by other members in the team. As a tester, you must be able to clearly document and communicate defects in a program to developers, you need to update testing status of the project to clients, communicate your work progress to test management and prepare test reports for management, so effective communication is vital. Testers have a lot of responsibilities. You'll need to write and execute test cases, document test results, report bugs, etc. Also, a tester may be involved in more than one project at the same time. So to be able to work in a fast-paced environment, you should know how to prioritize tasks based on project deadlines. You should try to complete testing tasks in the order of priority rather than in the order they were assigned to you. To be able to deliver work within the specified time frame, you will need to organize your work. Even though you have a plan to complete your work on time, each day brings new challenges, for example, changes in requirements, unstable test environment, blocking issues, and your day may not end up the way you expected it to. With these in mind, you should hone your organization skills. Time management skills are critical for QA testers. You should have the ability to estimate the time needed to complete a testing task. For example, time to prepare the test environment, time to create test data, and the time required for the testing process. Prioritize the work that you have to do, determine the sequence of tasks and plan how you'll spend the available time. Sometimes there are too many activities going on at the same time, especially during the software release. A software tester must be able to manage workload and maintain the productivity level. Teamwork skills are the skills that enable you to work well with others. Software test engineers work closely with every member of the software development team to build a product that meets end-user requirements. They collaborate with developers to resolve issues, collaborate with other team members to complete testing tasks. Employers expect employees to be team players. Candidates with strong teamwork skills are sought out by employers for many reasons. Software testers must have flawless attention to detail. Often small things can have a pretty serious effect on an entire application. They need the ability to notice small changes in a system and understand their significance. This is one of the essential requisites of a software tester. Software testers should be able to analyze every aspect of a system, identifying any potential weaknesses that could impact the overall quality. A tester must step into the shoes of an end user, only then he or she can understand the real needs of an end user and test the application accordingly. Understanding how end users use an application and how they interact with application will give insights on what really matters for end users. In order to give the best out of your work, you should love what you do. To be a professional software tester, the candidate has to be passionate about the things he is dealing with. Soft skills can be developed over time. With commitment to growth and continued learning, anyone can develop these skills. Possessing these skills not only make you an excellent tester, but helps the team succeed as well. We hope you found some useful information in this video. For more interesting videos on software testing, subscribe to Qualitician channel.